Welcome to my channel. Want blazing fast Wi-Fi coverage across your entire home? In this video, I'll show you how to set up the Orbi AX6000 Wi-Fi 6 mesh system step by step. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working from home, this setup will help you get the best performance possible. Step 1. Unbox the Orbi system. Start by unboxing your Orbi AX6000 package. Inside, you'll find the Orbi router, satellite units, power adapters, and an Ethernet cable. Step 2. Connect the main router. Now connect the main Orbi router to your modem using the included Ethernet cable. Then plug the router into a power outlet and wait for the LED light to stabilize. Step 3. Download the Orbi app. Next, download the Orbi app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and sign in or create a Netgear account. Step 4. Add the satellite units. Place the Orbi satellite units around your home and power them on. The app will automatically detect them and connect them to your mesh network. Step 5. Configure Wi-Fi settings. Now customize your Wi-Fi network name and password. You can also enable security features and update the firmware for better performance. Step 6. Test coverage and optimize placement. Finally, test your Wi-Fi speed in different rooms. Adjust the placement of your Orbi satellites to eliminate dead zones and maximize coverage. And that's it. Your Orbi AX6000 Wi-Fi 6 mesh system is now fully set up and ready to deliver fast, reliable internet throughout your home. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tech tutorials. For instant help, call 1-803-381-0141.